Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The idea of a 2026 Ferrari Motorhome Super Class instantly conjures up images of unmatched elegance that is expertly merged with high-performance design concepts. Although Ferrari's main focus is on high-end sports cars, the idea of applying their engineering and design principles to a motorhome chassis raises the possibility of a groundbreaking venture in the recreational vehicle market. Such a work would go beyond what is typically expected, representing a culture of exclusivity, technical innovation, and painstaking craftsmanship. A Ferrari Motorhome Super Class's appearance would surely evoke the brand's recognizable design aesthetic. Its silhouette would be defined by streamlined, aerodynamic lines, sculpted contours, and the thoughtful application of lightweight, high-strength materials, possibly including carbon fiber components. Immediate brand recognition would be guaranteed by iconic Ferrari design cues, including recognizable lighting signatures, a large prancing horse symbol, and possibly even a visual echo of their Formula One aerodynamic solutions. Even for a car this size, the overall design would probably put equal emphasis on aerodynamic efficiency and visual attractiveness, which are hallmarks of Ferrari's engineering skill. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome Super Class would be the pinnacle of mobile luxury on the inside. The best Italian leathers, custom wood or carbon fiber accents, and well-made metal detailing would all be used to furnish the home. Without sacrificing the feeling of luxurious spaciousness, the layout would be carefully planned to optimize both space and usefulness. Modern infotainment systems, smart house technology that works flawlessly, and climate control designed for maximum comfort will all be included as standard. The bedrooms, living spaces, and even a perhaps gourmet kitchenette would exhibit a degree of sophistication usually associated with upscale homes. Such a motorhome's foundation would require a sturdy yet advanced chassis designed to provide a driving experience that, although appropriate for a larger vehicle, nonetheless carries a trace of Ferrari's dynamic DNA. It would be essential to have powerful but sophisticated powertrain alternatives, advanced suspension systems, and maybe adaptive powertrains. A custom hybrid or a high-performance diesel engine, carefully adjusted for seamless power delivery and relative efficiency, may be imagined, even though a conventional Ferrari engine might not be feasible. It would also be expected that sophisticated driver assistance technologies, appropriate for a car of this class and time, would be integrated. A 2026 Ferrari Motorhome Super Class would undoubtedly be positioned at the ultra-luxury end of the market. It would serve a discriminating customer looking for a mobile haven that not only offers unmatched comfort and conveniences, but also subtly conveys exclusivity and taste. A car like that would probably only be made in small quantities, which would increase its appeal and collectability. For Ferrari, it would be a daring and possibly surprising step into a new and unexplored realm of automotive beauty, continuing its tradition of perfection.